Hey guys, so I've been wanting to make this video for quite a while now. Sort of left my mind, but came back in my mind today. And I'm here to talk about why I think W&M is stupid. Because what's the point of W&M? It's kind of dumb. And yes, I did do W&M, but I deleted those videos. And TNL because I've been... Sorry if I'm stuttering a little bit. Because the fan community has just been so angry about it lately. I don't get how the fans go W&M, 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 W&M. Like, I don't get it. I just don't get W&M anymore. Like, you know, the positions. This right here is a letter W. And this right here is the letter M. And if your fan has a ball socket, look up here so that you see what I'm talking about. Just remove this for a minute. So this right here is the ball socket. And if it just wobbled so much, it could fall out of the ball socket. Put this back. Another thing that could possibly happen, I don't know if it's ever happened before, is that if it was doing the W&M on high speed and it was just wobbling so much like crazy, and you tried to turn it off, the pull chain switch could probably break off on the inside, and you would have to get a new pull chain switch. W&M is just kind of what the littler kids do, probably. It just sounds very dumb, in my opinion. Sorry to say, it's just my opinion. Please don't bash my opinions. I just don't like this W&M anymore. It's just very dumb, in my opinion. It doesn't look like a W or an M, no matter what position it's in. Here, I'll show you. This right here does not look like a letter W. And this does not look like a letter M at all.